What's up, y'all? It's your girl Toya. I am back with another video. I know y'all probably tired of me saying that. Don't really care. Love you anyways. But I'm here with 6 different ways that I style my faux locks. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment your favorite style and subscribe to this channel if you want to keep seeing videos like this. I'll see you back soon. So those are all the styles that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys actually learned how to do some of these styles. By the way, I did not use any type of rubber band or anything to hold my hair together. I literally just wrapped my hair around it. So if you want to see more hairstyling videos, just give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll be posting a part 2 to my how to know your man is gay video on Sunday at 12 o'clock. Make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified when it drops. See you then. Bye.